What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, that came out the AUDIOZONE here with another day, another video at the shop, man. It is a great weekend right now. We're headed up toward the big demonology event. Y'all probably gonna get to see the video after. I got a lot of videos dropping out this week, but you know, this is the week of that, man, and we have people coming from all across the nation to the store to get their final touches done before the demonology event, man. So we're very grateful. As you can see my desk here, I have a lot of paperwork, a lot of stuff going on. Tony's going here. Look, Tony has gotten so stressed out that his hair is changing color, y'all. Look, his hair is changing color. Look how stressed out. Hold on, look how stressed out are you. How stressed out are you, Tony?
Y'all come to me, I'm gonna show you something.
How stressed are you?
Tony Snow don't have pressure, you feel me?
No, but I got a question. Have you been stressed over the couple days?
I've been chilling.
You don't think that you've been a little bit more stressed out than normal?
For what?
Cause look at the color of your hair.
That shit fly, nigga.
Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all an update, man. We got a guy named Fly by G Money. Y'all seen him on YouTube. He has this Ford Taurus. He wanted to do something unique. I didn't get to bring y'all the beginning of the vlog, but we took the car apart already, and we're in the process of doing a whole build for him on lights. Should I show y'all? You know what? I am gonna show y'all. Well, this one y'all gonna see in a minute. But we basically got the guys here working on the table. We're creating a custom flow kit for this Ford Taurus. It does not exist. It's not in the market. It doesn't exist. You can't look him up. We're making it for this guy's car. He's getting a little preview here what it could look like to get Fly by G Money car situated and get him situated nicely, done right. He's coming all the way from, I believe, Kansas City. Let me go look at the tag, y'all. But I believe he's coming from Kansas. In Indiana. He comes from Indiana out here to get that car done, man. So it's a privilege and blessing we have. But all hands on deck doing what we need to do to get this guy's car situated and done right. Can we get that little AUDIOZONE touch? Thanks to the team for rocking and rolling, man. But that's one that we're in the process of getting built. I'm gonna show you that when it gets done, how the car look out, and let you meet him on the channel today. His name is Fly by G Money, so stay tuned. All right, crew. So I told you guys we're working on a very unique car, man. One of the first off we're gonna do is the Ford Taurus. Came all the way from I don't know where. I know where. But I'm gonna let him introduce himself to the channel, man. His name is Fly by G Money. Go ahead and talk to the camera. Tell him how you feeling today, sir.
What's up, everybody? My name is G Money from the channel Fly by G Money on Instagram and YouTube, where we customize whatever you drive. So you know what I'm saying? On my channel, you'll see unique builds. You might see a Prius. You might see a Taurus. You might see a Corolla. You're gonna still see, you know, all other cars because I'm a car enthusiast, but you're gonna see more of the unique cars where somebody stayed in their lane and appreciate what they had and decided to take care of it and fix it up. So you know what I'm saying?
And he's in the building today, and then we got this other young man. State your name for the camera.
5 to the 10, the number 5, everything else spelled out TOTHETEN. Follow your boy, supersize the small fry.
You know,
hold on, my bad. AKA Pretty Big Forehead is in the building. For those of y'all who know me, Pretty Big Forehead is in the building.
you know what? Let's go ahead and do something here, man. I'll be tripping with people too, because you know, as you get older, you begin to lose some hair. And it's from the stress of that, here goes the catch-22. The other day I was somewhere and I said, listen, man, they're like, Jeff, you're pretty black. I said, man, I'm blessed. I got 2 sponsorships that give me all my money. They said, really, 2 sponsors? I said, yeah, bro, 2 of them give me all my money. They can, who I can get sponsored by? McDonald's and Whataburger. And they said, what you mean McDonald's and Whataburger? I said, yeah, bro, if you go this way, you see an M for McDonald's, and if you turn it around, you see a W for Whataburger. But you know what? What it really did, that sponsorship was the years that I've been doing what I do and the years that I have of learning how to organize my life. Because it comes to this, you can have less money than a lot of people, live better than people with more money, because it's the way that you live your life, man, what it comes to. But it's experience, it's years that you learn how to run your money. You could be doing stuff like this man here. Look, he go over here. What you doing, man? Cash apping some money, sending some money out. This boy just sending money away. Just sending money away.
I'm hollering at my boys on the podcast. You know, I also do a podcast. It's called Customize Any Ride with myself, my boy L Boogie, the Rally Rails, and Money Rich, the real Swervo. So y'all check us out. You know what I'm saying? We dropping usually live on Wednesdays and recorded on Mondays.
Well, this is what it's gonna be, y'all. So he's the one that owns that beautiful Taurus that we're building. You already got a sneak peek. He hasn't gotten it yet, but if we start getting it more together, I'm gonna let him go and take a look at his car. In fact, I'm not gonna let him see his car to the final reveal, and then we'll get his response. So stay tuned if we see the Ford Taurus. So we got my snowflake over here. King Tony Snow from the building. Snowdy, say something to the camera. No. Come on, man. Look at he playing with that big money phone. Look at that. That big money phone.
Man, King Snow live in the house. Big reveal coming soon, man. Shout out to Rick Tapp over there. If he don't get it right, he catching a whole slizap across his face. But y'all know what time it is, so be on the lookout for that.
Coming soon, man. You be snow in the building, man. But you might not get to see him. He can be so fast. But y'all can stay tuned to see it coming on. So at this point in time, guys, everybody's putting their hands on this car to get her situated. You can see all hands on deck. We got Isaac, we got Josh in the building. Gordo over there putting some stuff together, but they're getting the bumper together. And I'm about to give you our review as soon as they get this car together, man. So you can see the car from Flyby G Money all the way down from Indiana here at AUDIOZONE, Irving, Texas, man. So let's go talk to him and see how he's feeling as we get ready to go to reveal.
All the way down back to Ennis. So, you know what I'm saying? How the hell I'm supposed to holler at anybody at the event? They ain't gonna come to late. You know how the
The late?
you know the founders come late, bro. So 7 o'clock they might not even be there yet.
G, got a question for you. Your car's getting wrapped up. How are you feeling right now?
You know, man, I was all overconfident. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm very relaxed. Can't wait to see what it looks like. You know, but you know, I'm in good hands, so I ain't.
You're in great hands with Allstate and AUDIOZONE, baby. That's for sure.
I'm not worried about it, cause like I said, you the only person I really seen do the custom.
We do a lot. God's been good to us. I can't wait till God bless it with it. I'm waiting for God to give us a bigger building. I'm waiting for the location that I want to have somewhere right, but I want to be that He gives it to me, so I don't overextend myself and kill myself in the process. Does that make sense?
You need a warehouse,
bro. You don't understand.
You need a warehouse. You need about 10 bays because you got too
Bro,
much
you know what?
going on.
I'm gonna tell you right now, this is 100% true, but I've seen a lot of people grow too fast and they go out of business.
Yeah.
That's why I say I want Him to give me the location. I have my eyes on the location. I'm fighting for it. It wasn't His will. I found another one. I prayed about it. I'm fighting for the deal. It didn't go through. It wasn't His will. When I've had these instances happen in the past, He ends up opening a door. You're like, damn, thank God I didn't do that one. Because if I would have done that one, I wouldn't be able to take care of this one. So I'm just waiting for Him to make the move.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or Tony Snow to just buy me out so I can retire.
You know what I'm saying? If I do that,
That's coming soon. You know?
hey, this bitch had stripper poles and we're gonna be doing some big things in the shop, yes man. Big things in the shop.
You're turning Jamaican, man.
You know what I mean?
Jamaican me crazy. You can't miss that.
Or I will talk to you in my other accent.
What accent is that, my friend?
This right here is from the east side of Africa, the eastern side, where you can't find no one like me because everyone there is a little deep beach. So, nigga.
Yeah, for y'all watching on YouTube, I'm sorry about this, man. He don't know how to behave.
That nigga ain't sorry. Check this out, man. You rocking with the best King Tony Snow, K Snow live in the building with your boy AUDIOZONE. You know what I'm saying? Hey, GA in the bitch. Hey, go. Let me see your shirt, bro. What that say?
Tomorrow's never promised.
Makes the best out of
And
it.
then yours says,
This
dream
is-
chasing.
This my dog out of Houston, Dream
Yeah.
Chasing Geo. She from the Chi.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I rock
Chi-town.
her and her merchandise.
Yeah.
You know, we gotta represent each other.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Hey,
saying?
y'all know this face right here.
Remember me 6'1", baby. Hey, I got the mailman in the house too.
Hey,
He trying to
Bumpy.
pick.
What up, nigga? Bumpy.
Get on down here, boy.
Save over here,
But you know, this is what's going on, man. This is beginning the YouTubers call out weekend. Everybody's coming by the shop, which is a blessing to have, man. We're gonna keep on rocking and rolling, man. But I'm about to bring y'all to get the reveal on his car. Stay tuned. True, so you guys are getting a first look before even the client. We got him a flow strip going on top with the DLR. Custom made and the Flow Series projector. We also got Underglow, but the guys are getting ready to put the car together to show it to him and see what he's gonna be, man. Hopefully he's gonna like it, man. I mean, he trusted it with the job. He came from far away. We're gonna see if he likes it. Stay tuned. Cruise crew, so we're ending up today here, man, getting to show him his vehicle, but I want you to see something, man. We got Mopars everywhere. We got one Mopar, two Mopars, got a Camaro, got another Mopar, got a beautiful Mopar over here, and everybody hanging out. This boy over here drinking beer in front of the shop. What in the hell going on,
Well,
G
you
Money?
know, hey,
He's
I'm
taking
thirsty.
advantage of his time.
I've been waiting all day for this, man.
And he's about to get it, y'all. So stay tuned when we do the reveal. Oh, look, so let's finish preaching the gospel up in front of AUDIOZONE. Simple as that.
sir.
But we got G Money in the building. We got all the goons over here having a good time. What y'all want to say? Nothing. Silence. Damn. Silence. I kill you.
Remy me 6'1", Flyby G Money, KJ Mac, 6'4" baby. 5 to the 10, AUDIOZONE, man. Go follow all these cats, man.
Listen, guys.
But it's
we-
it's about my man today, though.
G, let's start going through the walk of glory. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. So we got this going on, and we're about to see how he's gonna feel when he gets the reveal of his car on his Taurus, one-off build. G, let's see this. Come on through. Excuse the message. You know, we're busy as hell doing our thing, but this is what your car looks like today compared to what it looked like from before. So,
Oh shit! Look at that thing!
Cole, I'm gonna walk you through.
my
You wanted the
God.
Underglow, you wanted a custom DLR board, you wanted projectors, you wanted the grill lights upper and lower, everything flow. You have just gotten it done.
Whoa!
So now that's your.
First in the world, Ford Taurus glowing like that, bro.
What you gotta say, G?
Man, I am overwhelmed.
No, but that's just the color. I'm gonna have them jump on their phone because you can phone control. I'm gonna have them start showing you the colors and stuff you can go through because that's just one that you can flow, but you can make red. Fact, who got the controller of the phone? Well, let's go ahead and get this chasing up. I'm gonna have them change some colors for you, and you can get to see more things that the car gets to do. But this is all built off. My son put his hands on your headlights. The rest of the team put your Underglow. But you can do single color if you want to. You can make them chase colors. He'll start showing you some different designs. Tony? Yeah. Oh, he got it. All right. Well, my son got it, but you can start seeing some different designs. Because you see the bottom doing different things.
Dope.
They can change any color you want to.
Shot town, baby.
So you got the bottom changing in here. Now you can do the headlights for you. Watch this. So now it's doing Pac-Man from yellow to blue. As you see in the bottom, it's loading up, and then you can do all the designs you have on the top.
Oh, come on, player. Damn. Like you big show ready, dog. Man.
So now, my question for you, G Money. I know you gave us a chance to come and serve you. How you feeling right now?
Man, I'm
Are your
feeling-
fallopian tubes in place?
They are dope.
Are they dripping right
there
now?
in place.
You got that drip going on right now?
All that drip.
Everybody be careful because he's dripping, you might slide. He's a big boy, like a lot of drip, man. But I do want to tell you, I want to thank you for the support of giving us a chance to serve your car. And thank you for the chance of trusting us and coming from far away to do this car. Anything that happens, believe me, it's a phone call away. It might take me a few days, but I will take a flight out there just to go hang out and get anything situated with any of the team members that want to go. We want to thank you all for the support, man, that y'all giving us. Everybody here today, man, truthfully, it's a blessing to have everybody here. And I'm about to end this video telling y'all thank y'all for the subscriptions, thank y'all for the views, and always thank y'all for the support. Stay positive, stay focused. God bless.